Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm still struggling with getting two-step verification on YouTube, actually Google, working properly. It is now going to be required as of November 1st that if you want to be in the YouTube partnership plan where you get paid when they put ads in your videos, you have to turn on two-step verification. Earlier in the week, I got in the chat for YouTube, asked a bunch of questions, told them that I could not get two-step turned on and then receive my emails in Outlook 2017 because it had no option for two-step verification. I was on it again this morning with them, trying again. The person that was helping me was very patient with me, and we could not get it to work. I could get two-step kind of working, although it wouldn't send the login codes to my phone, but it did let me get on once I turned it on. But once I turned it on, and then when I tried to use Outlook to download my emails from this account, it came up and asked me for my password. I put my regular password in, and it just kept asking me over and over again because it wanted this two-step verification, which I can't find any way to do that in the old version of Outlook. And the people on YouTube couldn't help me with that. So I'm kind of stuck. I have requested that my daughter, who lives in Orlando, if she has time, to come help me to see if she can get it working. She's into software and she knows a lot about computers, most of which I have forgotten. And so the other thing I want her to try is you can migrate your account to another account. And then I do have another, or I actually have 3 Google accounts. So I could migrate it to an account that's just used as like a backup account that I don't even monitor the emails. So if email is not working for Outlook, I don't use it in Outlook, so it doesn't matter. I've tried to figure out how to do that. I can't do it. I gave my other account ownership, dual ownership, but as my understanding is, all accounts on a channel have to have two-step verification enabled. So what I would have to do is take off the original owner, Amrad, and just leave on my new account or other account. I could not figure out how to do that, and I didn't get to that step when I was online this morning because I'd already been online for 3 hours. So I thought I'd take a break. So that's where the channel is. I think as the last resort, I can opt out of the partnership, which means I won't get paid for ads, and therefore I'll have to kind of up my emphasis on having my viewers use my Amazon store, which I don't make that much off my Amazon store, maybe $15, $20 a month, compared to the $150 to $200 a month I make off of YouTube ads. And I use that money exclusively for buying things like radios and electronics to review on my show. So if I can't get that working, I can't get more people using my Amazon account, then I'll be doing less videos on new equipment. That's the situation. For me, you know, being 75 years old now, it's a little frustrating, and I trying to go the easiest route. If I can't get my daughter to help me, then I just delete my partnership and just be a regular user on YouTube. And I thought if you did that, there was one advantage to my viewers in that now ads are turned off, so they don't have to watch any ads. So that would be a plus. But then I read this morning where now if you have a YouTube account and you're not under the partnership, they can still put ads in your YouTube videos and you don't get a commission. A little confused about that. I thought that you could always, for each video, turn on or turn off ads completely, which I've done in the past. I have turned off ads for videos that were very short and weren't a review, or just a piece of information. Like I'll turn off ads for this video if I can upload it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support over the years. Have a great day. Bye-bye.